I have been creating and making art since the time I could hold a pencil, and it has now carried into motherhood. And so far in our parenting journey, I have found that so many other mamas struggle with how to bring creativity into their homes while raising little ones too. I'm Coley. I'm an artist and a mama to 7, running a small business from my home studio, right over there, and raising babies along the way. If you're like me, you know that these years are precious and they go by so fast. You want to be intentional with the time you have and give your kids memories you both can look back on and remember how your time together was meaningful. You want to build a home that's creative and playful and well-loved, but maybe you felt like it takes too much time or effort, or it's just too overwhelming. Or maybe you want to have a creative home, but you just don't know where to begin. As a mama of 7, I'm constantly coming up with new ways to keep our home creative, from the way we make crafts to the way we plan meals to the way we travel and organize our home and more. I'm inviting you to sit with me at our table as we create together. I'll be taking you behind the scenes on how I not only create art projects with my kids, but also how we're creative as a family with our time and our resources and our ideas. I'll also be sharing tutorials on projects that we've done over the years that will be so simple, you'll wonder how you didn't even think of it yourself. I will also share the messes and the mistakes and the tips and tricks I've learned along the way, because there are many. Let me see your face. Oh my goodness. So whether you're a mama to 1 or 10 or anywhere in between, I want you to feel inspired and I want you to know that you have what it takes. You can create meaningful memories with your kids as you create alongside them or with them and give them the space to create as well. I believe that allowing our kids to be creative will produce more than just a cute art project, and they will be cute. It will allow them to dream and to give them confidence, and you confidence as a mama, in creating something special. It will flow into their everyday moments that will allow them to think creatively in all areas of life. I really believe this, and I've seen it in my kids too. And most of all, my favorite, and it makes me teary-eyed just thinking about it, it'll produce lasting memories for both you and your kids that you'll cherish for a lifetime. So, this space is one where you can come and be yourself. You can be tired and weary and know that you're not alone, because I am tired all the time. And you can be inspired and know that you have the abilities, you have the creativity in you, that you're born with it, you're created for it to create with your kids, and that you can make a creative home. So, thank you for being here. I'm so excited to have you here. I'm so excited to teach you things that I have learned and show you things that I'm still learning along the way. So I look forward to the next time we will sit at my table together. I'm gonna paint on your face. Let me see your paint.